315 kilowatts motor on receipt. The driving end. View of the stator before rotor is extracted. The bearing on the shaft seen with grease contaminant. Close-up view of the winding on the non-connection end. View of the connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the connection end. The main rotor. Stator and rotor cleaned and application AF anti-tracking paint done. New bearings fitted. The template cleaned and fitted. Motor painted, tested and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering work.